Good morning children. Welcome to Mahila Samaja online classes. In the previous class we learned multiplication. Multiplication means already we learned no multiplication means yes the answer multiplication is repeated addition. Into is the symbol of the multiplication. The answer obtained by the multiplication is called product. Dear children, already we learned the concept of multiplication also. Today we are going to solve a few problems. See children, multiplication means repeated addition. 4 times 2 is 4 plus 4, 8. We are going to 4 2s are 2 4s are 8. Like this only we are going to solve these problems. Here let us understand multiplication is very easy. Here 3 5s are, one example is there, 3 5s are 15. Here 3 is the multiplication. 3 is the multiplicand. The number multiplicand means the number that is multiplied by another number is called multiplicand. And 5 is the multiplier. Multiplier means the number by which another number is multiplied is called the multiplier. 15 is the product. The number obtained by multiplying two numbers is called product. Now let us solve some problems. Here find the product. Here tens and ones place is there. Today we are going to solve this one digit numbers. Here 2 into 2. 2 into 2, how much children? 2 on the table say up to 2. 2 2s are 4. Yes, right here 4. Like that only 4 6s are 24. 3 7s are 21. 3 4s are 12. 5 7s are 35. 3 3s are 9. Like this only we should write. 9 9s are 81. 7 4s are 28. 2 9s are 18. 5 5s are how much children? Yes, 5 on the table say up to 5 means 5 5s are 25. Yes. Now let us, these are the single digits. We are going to solve all these problems. Now we are going to solve 2-digit numbers. Here is the 2-digit number. We are going to say the table 2 ones are. Now we say children, ones place always you should do first. Now we say the table 2 2s are. How much children? Yes, 4 you write. Next number again you say 2 ones are table. 2 ones are 2. Second problem 3 3s are. How much children? 9. Again 3 is there. Up to 3 3s are. You should say 3 3s are 9. Third problem. Here 42 is there. 2 is in ones place and 4 is in tens place. Now you say 4 ones are table. 4 2s are. How much children? Yes, 4 2s are 8. Now you solve it. 4 4s are. How much? 4 4s are? Yes, 16. Right here. 6 in ones place. 1 you write in 100 place. Again 12 into 4. 12 into 4. You should write here 4 2s are 8. 4 1s are 4. Already you learned no tables. Yes, if you know tables means it is very easy to solve children. Into is the multiplication symbol. Like that addition symbol is plus and subtraction symbol is minus and multiplication symbol is into. This is the multiplication symbol. We are writing no tables. That time we are using no into symbol. Yes, here 11 into 7. 11 into 7 is there. Now we should solve. 7 1s are. How much children? Yes, correct. Again 7 1s are 7. Now 6 sum 24 into 2. 2 4s are. How much children? Yes. Now again tens place is there 2. 2 2s are. Now we say 2 ones are table. 2 twos are 4. 2 fours are 8. 2 twos are 4. Next sum. Next problem is 22 into 3. Now you should say 3 ones are table. 3 twos are how much? 6. Again 3 twos are 6. Here 33 into 2. Now you should solve. 2 threes are 6. 2 threes are also 6. Again 3 is there. 2 threes are 6. 2 threes are also 6. Yes, 68 into 1. Now 1 eights are 8. 1 six are 6. Is it very easy, children? Yes. Now again 10th sum. 42 into 2. Now say 2 ones are table. 2 fours are 8. 2 fours are 8. Next third main 3 digits. Here we did solve 2 digits number. Now we are going to solve 3 digit number. Here O means ones, tens, hundreds. Got it, children? Now let us find out the product. Now again you say 2 fours are 8. 104 is there. 104 into 2. 2 ones are table. You should say 2 fours are 8. 2 zeros are 0. 2 ones are 2. Yes, second one. Here 102 into 4. 4 twos are 8. We should say the table. 4 ones are up to 2. 4 twos are 8. 4 zeros are 0. 4 ones are 4. Here 102 into 3. Now you should say 3 ones are table. Got it, children? Which table you should say? Yes, 3 ones are table. 3 twos are how much? 6. 3 zeros are 0. 3 ones are 3. 413 into 2. Here you should say 2 ones are table. Now everybody know 2 ones are table. Now we say 2 ones are table. 2 threes are how much? How much, children? Yes, 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4. 2 threes are 6. Right here 6. Exact ones place only you should write. While you are writing tens place exact what we get the product we should write exact tens place only. While we are writing 100 multiplying 100 place means exact 100 place only you should get the answer. Product means we should write here 100 place only. Now 2 ones are yes 2 only. Exact tens place only I am writing. Here observe ones place only I am writing. Here 2 fours are 8. This 4 is in 100 place we should write here 800 place only. 2 fours are 8. Next fifth one 212 into 3. Now which table you should say? Yes, 3 ones are table. Now you say 3 ones are table, children. Yes, 3 twos are 6. Always you should find out the product from ones place. Then we should go tens place. After that 100 place. Now let us find out the product. 3 twos are 6. 3 ones are 3. 3 twos are yes, you are correct. You also say tables, children, along with me. Yes, here is very simple. Everybody know one answer table, children? Yes, I know everybody practiced well in your home. Now 1 eights are 8. 1 eights are 8. Again 100 place also 8 is there. 1 eights are 8. Now I am writing exactly no ones place. This is tens place and 100 place. Okay. Next sum, 7th one. 3 ones are table. You should say, you should find out 123 into 3. Now say 3 ones are table, children. 3 threes are how much? Yes. 3 threes are 9. 3 twos are 6. Again 100 plus 1 is there. 3 ones are 3. Is it very simple, children? Yes, if you learn the tables means it is very easy. Okay. Now 312 into 2. Now 2 on the table say 2 twos are. Yes, you are correct. Now 2 ones are. Yes, 2 ones are 2. Now 2 threes are 6. Yes. What we get the answer is called as what, children? Yes, product. Here this is multiplicand, multiplier and product. What we get the answer is called product. Ninth one, 322 into 3. Here 3 twos are how much? 6. Again 3 twos are 6. 3 threes are 9. Now 0 ones are everybody know, children? Yes, first only we learn no. 0 ones are 0 fives are 0. 0 nines are 0. 0 eights are 0. Yes. Let us solve story problems. These story problems are in your textbook. See, this is in your textbook. Here they are given one example in your textbook. There are 5 glass bottles on the table. There are 3 shells in each bottle. There are 3 shells in each bottle. Now there are 5 times 3. 5 times 3. 5 we should write here, and 3 is the 3 shells are in each bottle means 5 times 3 means, yes, 5 times 3. You should write here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times is there now. Now what is the number? 3. Now add it, how much you will get? 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 3, 9. 9 plus 3, yes, 12. 12 plus 3, 15. This is repeated addition. Repeated addition is called as, easily we are finding answer, no? 5 threes are 15. 15 shells in all. This is addition and this is 5 into 3, 15. 5 into 3. 5 times 3 is there. So 5 threes are 15. This is multiplication what we are doing. This is repeated addition. This is repeated addition. Here we are finding 5 threes are 15. So we are going to say the tables. It is, we can find out very easily. Okay, next sum. Let us solve. There are 3 groups of whales. There are 3 groups of whales. There are 7 whales in each group. There are 7 whales in each group. 3 groups means 1, 2, 3 groups is there. Now 7 in each group, how many whales are there? 7, 7, 7. 3 groups, 1, 2, 3 groups are there. In each group 7 whales are there. Now 7 threes are how much? 7 plus 7, 14. 14 plus 7, 21. 21 whales in all. 3 sevens are 21. 7 plus 7 plus 7 also 21. Here we can write 3 into 7 is equal to 21. Got it, children? How to do? Yes. Next, there are 2 octopuses in the sea. Each octopus has 8 arms. There are 2 octopus in the sea. Each octopus has how many arms? 8 arms. Now you should write here 2 times 8. 2 eights are how much? 2 eights are 16. Now here you can write multiplication. 2 eights are 16. Got it, children? Yes. Next, there are 2 fish tanks. There are 2 fish tanks and 9 fish in each fish tank. There are 2 fish tanks. Here you write 2 fish tanks and 9 fish in each fish tanks. So you should write 9 twos are, yes, how much children? Yes, 18. Here you write 2 into 9 equals 18. 2 times 9. 2 into 9. 2 nines are 18. Next, there are 5 turtles. There are 5 turtles. Each turtle lays 7 eggs. There are 5 turtles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 groups. Okay, in each turtle lays 7 eggs. So you should write here 7 plus 7 plus 7. How many eggs in all? Yes, 5 sevens are how much? Yes, 5 sevens are 35. Now add it. You can add like that also, you will get same answer. 7 plus 7, 14. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21, 7 fours are 28, 7 fives are 35. So 5 sevens are 35. Next, there is a square fish. There is a square fish pond. The length of each side is 9 meters. What is the total length of all the 4 sides? Yes, we should find out the length of 4 sides. The length of all the 4 sides is dash times dash. Here, length of the pond side is 9 meters. 9 times, here 2 times the square of, there is a square fish pond. The length of each side is 9 meters. The total length of all 4 sides. Here you should find out 4 times 9. 4 times 9, 9 meters. 4 nines are how much children? Yes, 36. 4 into 9. 4 nines are 36. 9 fours are also 36. So, if you learn tables, don't know means 9 ones are table, you can say the 4 ones are. 4 nines are 36. That's why I said practice well tables. Okay children? If you know tables means you can do very easily. Here is, there are 4 goldfish. There are 4 goldfish in each fish bowl. How many goldfish will there be in 9 fish bowls? There are 9 times. Here is 9 times and 4 goldfish. Here you can write, there are 9 fours are, yes, how much children? Say the table. Yes, 36. Goldfish in 9 fish bowls. 4 nines are also 36. One fish costs rupees 7. What is the cost of 4 fish? Here is another one sum. One fish costs rupees 7. What is the cost of 4 fish? Yes, here the cost of 4 fish is 7. 7 plus 7 plus 7. Here one fish bowl, one fish costs 7 rupees. Like that also 4 fish. Here you should find out 7 plus 7. Yes, 14, 14 plus 7, 21, 21 plus 7, 28. So here is 28. If you are adding all these 7, we will get the 28. Now 7 fours are also 28. Okay, we are doing multiplying here very easily. You are going to add repeated addition. This is the addition fact and here is the multiplication fact. If you know the tables means you can do very easily. That's why everybody practice well tables. I hope everybody understood this story problems and product. How to find the product, single digits and double digits and 100 3 digits also you know learn how to learn. Everybody practice well in your homework book. Okay children, thank you.